Hey everybody, I'm Michael and welcome to my channel. So today is going to be slightly different. I have been going through and looking at all of the people who have joined my team, and I noticed that a couple of you have not been able to deposit one full drip in your deposits here. And in doing that, you're a little bit under, and what's happening is you're not actually earning the 1% daily rewards because you don't have that one drip in your deposits. So, because I want everybody to succeed on my team, I will be sending out a little bit of drip to each one of those accounts, and I've got a list of all those accounts right here. I'm going to go ahead and start sending out how much they need to get up to one drip. And I wanted to let you know that the reason why I'm doing this is because I believe in drip, I believe in my team, and I want everybody to succeed at this. So what I'll be doing right now, I will be going into my MetaMask account. I'm going to go ahead and click send. I'm going to send to every single one of these accounts. I'm going to go ahead and select drip, and then I'm going to select the amount that they require to get up to one drip so that they can start earning that 1% daily rewards. Now, I will not be doing this in the future, but I wanted to start off and say thank you to everybody that has helped me start building this team. I want you to know that in the future, instead of me paying you directly like this, I will be sending out airdrops, and those airdrops will be whatever the daily balance is once we get up to 150 team members. So if you want to take part in that, I put all the links down below for your information to get started with Drip today. I'm going to go ahead and send off this first one right now. So if this is your address, you're going to get some Drip right now, and you are going to then be able to start earning 1% daily on your initial deposit. There we go. This one is done. Let's move on to the next one right here. I'm going to be sending 0.05. And it's not going to be BNB, it's going to be drip. And yes, I am paying these gas fees myself, but I want everybody to succeed. I do not want people on my team who lose faith in drip, and I want to make sure that everybody is taken care of, and that's the type of service that I really want to share and spread across everybody. So if you do want to join Drip today, there is a link down below for you to get started. When you go, let me quickly go over here. When you come to the swap page and you buy your drip directly from here, you actually save 10% in fees. But when you do it, I want to make sure that the amount that you receive is around 1.12 drip. So let's say you came today and you put in around 0.54, around 0.3, let's see what the number is, around 0.38 BNB, and you buy, let me zoom in for you, and you buy this amount right here, you want to make sure that you get around this 1.12 so that you can actually start collecting those 1% daily rewards when you come over to the Faucet page. So as you can see, I've got some deposits here. I'm making 1% every single day in these available balance. And so I'm going to go ahead and continue on sending some love to everybody who signed up with me but had just barely under the amount needed, 0.04. Again, I won't be doing this in the future, but I will be sending out airdrops to everybody, and hopefully we can get onto a weekly schedule where you start earning some extra cash every single week just for becoming a part of my team. And as you can see, some of these accounts had a little bit a little bit under what was required, and I just want to help everybody out to get started today. As you can see, it's not very cheap, sending $10, $4 here and there, but I really do believe in drip, and I know that you will too once you start seeing the benefits of receiving that 1% every single day, now that everybody on the team will have at least one drip in their account. Okay, so as the last drip has been sent, let me go ahead, once this is cleared, what I'm going to do is show you the list of addresses, and if we can zoom in here, let's see. These are the addresses right here. If you own one of these addresses, you just received some drip from me. And what you need to do is pause this video, check over your records. If you failed to deposit more than one drip initially, you are listed here. And if you do have one of these addresses, all you need to do, is go into drip and go to the Faucet page and deposit that drip that I just sent you by clicking deposit and typing in your max here. And then you should have at least one drip total here that will then start earning you 1% daily rewards here. Hopefully this works out great. Hopefully the people that did have those wallet addresses do end up seeing this video, because I really do believe in drip and I want everybody to succeed. If you haven't joined drip yet, it's just this really simple way to make 1% daily returns on your initial investment. And so far it has been a wonderful change of pace versus trying to invest in Bitcoin or Ethereum or Cardano or any of those other cryptos. I do believe in drip, and it's paid off greatly. If you do want to join my team, there is a link down below. I will be sending out weekly airdrops. I will let the balance of this grow for one day, 24 hours, once we receive 150 team members total. And then those airdrops will be sent out to everybody, dispersed evenly. And over the course of the coming weeks, there are ways, as you can see down here, that if you have one or more drip, that's what we'll be starting with, you will be able to receive a part of that airdrop. And as time goes on and we start increasing the amount of drip in our accounts, I will be selecting those that have 25 plus drip. So if we did a quick little run here to see if anybody in our team actually has that, this person would receive 100% of the airdrop. So it's beneficial to you to increase the amount of drip in your account so that you can start receiving the airdrops because you have more drip as I do more airdrops in the future. But hopefully this video was helpful. Let me just go ahead and show you these addresses again here. If this is your address, any of these addresses right here, you just received some drip from me, and you need to go into your Faucet and deposit that drip so you can actually start earning that 1% daily. If you found this video helpful and you really do like the idea that you want a team to succeed like I do, please give this video a like. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this one, and I will see you guys in the very next video.